Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I ordered mine in the color black so I can match the phone, and with that being said, let's get to it. So there's two tabs here in the back, very similar process to the phone. Similar unboxing process, I should say. So remove those, then this should come up right out. It's a little bit tougher than I anticipated. There we go. It's a little bit stuck on the piece of tape. But anyways, you open the box. Here they are in this little black clear case. Let's go ahead and lift that out. There's nothing else in the box. There's a little tab for you to pull off. And here they are. Very beautiful case. Very beautiful earbuds. Definitely excited to try these out. I've been using some old skull candies that I definitely want to replace. These are definitely going to be good for when I'm working out. So let's set that to the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. It's probably just a USB cable or just an instruction pamphlet. Opens on the bottom, and just got your quick start guide, letting you know how to use it. And you get your tips. Oops, one fell out. But anyways guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Like I said, definitely excited to try these out. And I'll let you guys know how they sound. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Let me know what your thoughts in the comments are below, and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.